Blood disorders are often related to bone marrow, but it is hard to probe human marrow and study these disorders. But now, understanding and managing blood-related disorders will be much easier with fruit flies as models. A group of scientists have deciphered the mechanism of red blood cell formation in adult fruit flies, a process similar to what happens in a human body. Take a look.
Fruit flies, or Drosophila as they are scientifically known, are widely used as a model organism to understand genetic and cellular mechanisms and study human diseases. This is because the basic cell machinery, development and gene regulatory processes of fruit flies are highly similar to humans. Now a breakthrough discovery makes it possible to use fruit flies to find cures for human blood disorders, including blood cancers. The findings come from the team of Dr. Lolitika Mandal at the Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Mohali, who has discovered that fruit flies develop blood cells in a way very similar to vertebrates, and they continue to be formed even when a fruit fly is an adult.
Drosophila shares about 80% homology of the genes that are present in us, right? So we ask a question in Drosophila and try to understand what would be predicted in human or in higher vertebrate, right? It's a very simple analogy that you have to look at the blueprint of development and then you try to accumulate that or assimilate or assume what else can come in a complex individual.
Dr. Mandal and her team, using powerful genetic and molecular cell biology tools, have discovered hubs of progenitor blood cells in adult flies, which undergo division to produce new blood cells. They have also discovered that different types of blood cells are present in adult fruit fly. This is much similar to the process of formation of new blood cells in humans.
For example, in blood cancer, what goes wrong? You have a tremendous number of amplification of hemocytes, and these hemocytes go and invade in different structure, metastasis happens, and the animal is killed. The human being is killed, or the mouse model is killed, whatever. How can you prevent it? You can prevent it by stopping the migration of this metastatic tissue. This is one way you can do it. So people render chemotherapy, right? But because of chemotherapy, normal cells are also dead. You can't really handle it at that time. So we are looking forward for some therapy which is beyond handling the cancer cell, directly handling the cancer cell, something which will actually destabilize the cancer cell.
This study challenges the conventional belief that blood cells in the body of a fruit fly are formed when the insect is in the larval and pupal stage, and that blood cells of adult flies lack the capacity to divide. According to experts, this new knowledge offers immense potential for understanding human blood disorders like blood cancers, wound healing in diabetic patients, and genetic disorders, and finding new cures. The result of the study has been reported in the journal Developmental Cell.